Welcome to Perceptions Film and Soft Skills Training in association with Tapas Training and Film Production. This is Aditee. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for Apple iPad 6th generation or Apple iPad 2018. Let's get started. Push the wake up button until you see Apple logo. Wait for it and it will say hello in different languages. Press the home button. Choose your language, English, and your region. It will ask you to quick start the device. Then choose setup manually. Choose the language for keyboard. Then press next. It will ask you to join a Wi-Fi network. Once it will get connected, it will show the data and privacy information. Continue. It will ask you to set up Touch ID. I'll do it later. It will ask you to set up the passcode for privacy of the device. Select your 6-digit passcode and confirm it. If you want to recover any data from iCloud, then you can do it from here. This is a new device, so I choose to set it as new iPad. Now it will ask to log in with your Apple ID. If you want, you can create a new ID. Once it will get connected, it shows you the home screen. Well, that's all for now. For more informative videos, please visit our website www.perceptionsfilms.com or write to us at perceptionsfilms@gmail.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Perceptions Films and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you. This was Aditee.